Zoicon Products has a large selection of sticky traps to pheromone traps to some insecticidal traps. The one we're looking at here today is called the FlyRelief bag. It's a disposable bag, so when you're done with it, it's easy to dispose of and throw away. We simply fill it up with water to the line, add the pheromone attractant that comes along with it, and hang it in an area. We want to hang it in an area that's away from the diners, so they don't smell any of the odors that are associated with it, and we're pulling the flies back away from the food in the diners. We'd pick a tree like this, simply find a low-hanging branch that's out of view of the people eating, fix it to our tree where flies feed and forage. It's just that easy. Zoicon Professional Fly Products.